Rock and roll, living dream, super excited. My plants are doing really good. I got like 7 trees. The thing I want to talk about is I'm writing a new cookbook. It's called This Recipe Book Sucks, which it does. It's really not for the average person, but it is for the average person. Knowing what I know, the ideal diet has to be calorie rich, nutrient rich, with no energy on digestion. And simple. Super simple. One God. You don't have 10 gods. You have one God. One girlfriend or wife or partner. You don't have like 20 wives, 20 partners. You're going to drive yourself crazy. Our body works on the same level. We got to keep it simple, which means mostly bananas, watermelon, dates, avocados. That's about 85% of my 85% of my daily food. Stop eating 536. I don't do it every day, but most days I do it, which means at 77 years old, I'm still in my prime. What does that mean? 77 years old, I'm still working 60 hours a week. Right now I'm writing a book a month for the past 5 months. I started 2 new activities, rock climbing and boxing. Rock climbing pretty much consistent for the past 8-9 days. See major improvement. Major improvement. I used to barely I can go on maybe 2 feet. Now I'm up to 7 feet. My goal is at 21 feet. Not easy. Not easy because it's basically finger strength, hand coordination. But I'm doing it slowly. Boxing slowly. I do it as a hobby, along with my rebound, along with my stretching, along with my resistant bands, and I gotta water my plants. Almost 300 plants. That's the goal today. Water 300 plants. Rock and roll, living a dream. Super excited. New cookbooks really focus on how you make your life work. Simple, calorie-rich, nutrient-rich. Simple, calorie-rich, nutrient-rich. And if you stop eating like 536 and you have like 15, 20 hours, 15, 16 hours of no food, no water, we need less calories, which means I go now. I used to eat like 22, 2300. As long as I'm on this schedule, 17, 1800. Bowel movements, 2 to 4 a day. That's the way it is. If you're not having 2 to 4 bowel movements a day, something's wrong. Which means you're taking in food and not leaving it. You're taking on food, not leaving it. Leads to disease, chronic fatigue. Look at this, all this stuff. Rock and roll, living dream. I think it'll work. Bye.